Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a cook with me type of video. And as you can tell, it's pretty laid back. I'm kind of suffering from a cold at the moment, but we're going to try to do this anyways. And so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we are doing this from a box today because I'm just not feeling well enough to kind of make it homemade, but regardless it will be good. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I have the eggs right here. I'm going to take this out. Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me. I know I'm a little sick right now, but I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and if you enjoy stuff like this, let me know. Also, at the very end of the video, I'm going to introduce you to one of my special friends, Charity. She's also on YouTube, and she has a great YouTube channel, so definitely check her out. If you do go to her page, make sure you subscribe and like her videos. I know she'd really appreciate that, and I will too. But I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. Thanks. Bye.